5 more minutes.
Next week is my birthday. I will be 11. But why do I still look like a small kid? This hair is so long and boring. I look the same every day. Same hairstyle, same braids, same Lina. If I cut it shoulder length, maybe I will look different. Maybe I will look fresh. Maybe I will look older.
Lina? Are you talking to the mirror again?
Mom, you scared me.
Sorry, sweetie. I didn't mean to. What is happening here?
Mom, next week is my birthday, right?
Of course. How can I forget?
I want to change something.
Change what?
This.
Your hair?
Yeah. It is too long. It takes so much time to wash. And when it is windy, it goes everywhere. And in school sports, it is so difficult.
So what do you want?
Shoulder length hair. Short and simple.
That is a big change.
I know, but I want it for my birthday.
Are you sure?
Yes, I want a new year, new hairstyle.
Okay, you can trim it.
Really?
Yes, but only shoulder length, not too short. Come here.
Thank you, Mom.
Why is my princess smiling so much this morning?
Daddy, I am going to the salon.
Salon, why?
Because I am cutting my hair.
Cutting your hair?
Yes.
No, not the beautiful long hair.
Daddy, it is too long. It is hard to manage.
But I like your long hair.
I know, but I want short hair now.
How short?
Shoulder length.
I need a moment. Okay, it is your birthday. But remember, you will always be my princess.
Even with short hair?
Even if you shave your head.
Okay, calm down. It's just a haircut. You are not climbing a mountain. You are just cutting your hair.
Hello, how can I help you?
Hi, I want a haircut.
Do you have an appointment?
No, I just came.
That's okay. Please sit and wait. There is one customer before you.
Okay, thank you.
Hello, dear. First haircut alone?
Yes, I am a little nervous.
Don't worry. Hair grows fast.
I hope so.
How short are you cutting it?
Shoulder length. It is very long now.
That will look very smart.
Hello, I am Arjun. So, what style are we doing today?
Shoulder length, please.
Are you sure? That is a big cut.
Yes, I'm sure.
All right, let's begin.
Yes, next week is my birthday.
Ah, birthday haircut. Very special. Do you want layers or simple straight cut?
Simple, but a little stylish.
Okay, trust me. Your hair is very healthy. Why do you want to cut it?
It is hard to manage. And I want to try something new.
That is good. Change is not bad. But remember, hairstyle does not change who you are.
Yes, but it can change how I feel.
Are you nervous?
A little.
Close your eyes. Imagine your birthday party. Okay, shoulder length.
Wow, it's so light.
And it looks fantastic.
Thank you. Oh, I look different.
Different good or different bad?
Different good.
Happy early birthday.
Thank you. I really cut it. My hair is short now. Wow, it feels so light. I look different. Next week is my birthday. This is my birthday hairstyle. It's okay. I like it. That's important.
Hey, Lina, where did all your hair go?
I donated it to the wind.
You look cool. Really? Yes, you look ready for your birthday.
That was the plan.
I like it.
My dad liked long hair.
Dads are always like that.
Wow, you look fresh.
Okay, I admit, it looks nice.
Really?
Yes, but next time tell me before shocking me.
Good decision, Lina. You look nice. Not like before, but still you. So soft, so light. No more heavy long hair. Oh, this looks cute too. Next week is my birthday. I think I am ready now. I was scared this morning, but now I feel happy.
Happy birthday in advance, Lina.
Thank you.